For this backyard, we didn't have a lot of space to work with, so we wanted to maximize how much we could utilize the outside space, along with the challenge of coming up with someone that was comfortable doing turf in the backyard. Because it was a small amount of space, it would cause a lot of traction of grass and grass clippings into the swimming pool, and so we wanted to keep it as clean as possible. John Crider made it feel like we were part of the project. Having turf is new for us, and we had a lot of questions about what options we had, and he was able to find a couple options for us and make it easy for us to make that decision. We feel great about the yard. We've had a wonderful experience for the past year and a half because our kids are young to play pass and kick the ball and lay out in the sun, and then the advantages of having the turf around the sides of the pool. It's not as hot on your feet and still enjoyable to sit out and give you that experience like you're in a larger lawn. Working with John Crider was very much a smooth experience for us. We didn't feel like there was like a big sales approach. He was very approachable and relatable. He was always willing to pick up his phone or text message us if we had any questions or issues. And he's got a great team that shows up when they say they're going to show up and get the job done.